How to find PayPal email address. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your email address that's connected to your PayPal account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is either open your PayPal application, or you could just go to your web browser and go to paypal.com. Now, once you are logged into your account using your phone number or whatever else is connected to your account, you will see your home interface just like this. Now, once you're on this interface, you will find the three lines icon at the top left. You can just tap on it and tap on the little gear icon to head over to your settings menu. Just wait for your settings to load up. And once your settings is here, you just need to make sure that you are on the accounts tab. There are other tabs like security, data and privacy as well, many more. Just make sure that you are on the account tab. Once you are here, you'll find your account information like your time zone, your language, nationality, merchant ID, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your phone number as well as your emails. So simply go ahead and tap on the email option, and then if you want to edit this, you can tap on this edit option, enter your new email address, and you can use that as well to verify your account. You could also click on this add option to add different emails as well. So that's how you can see your email address on PayPal. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.